Hey guys, I am back. We are solving check if array is sorted and rotated. This is a easy level question. We are currently solving few easy level questions. Then eventually we will move to medium then hard, so that at the end of the array series you will have a proper understanding how it works and can implement your own solutions as well. So the question states that you are given with an array nums, return true if the array was originally sorted in non-decreasing order, then rotated some number of positions including 0, otherwise return false. So we need to deal with the boolean values true either if we find the arrays sorted in non-decreasing order. We will return true if we find that we can replace the values by some x amount of times and ended up having a sorted array. Then we can return true, otherwise in other cases we will return false. So to understand it a better way, I will take you to the whiteboard and explain how it works. So we are here. Suppose we are given with a number 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2, and I will first write down the code so that we will take a dry run to understand it a better way. We will return true if and only if we find out that it is 3, 4, 5. Return true. Okay, so there we go. This is the function given. Take a variable int I. We will take another variable as count, initialize it with 0. Alongside we will take the num size, for it is good to it will be helpful for iteration. We will run a for loop in the array that we have been given from the first element and we will check if the previous element is greater than the current element, then we will increase the count. At last we will also check if the last element is greater than the first element. Count plus plus. At the end we will return count less than or equals to 1. So this is the code. You may or may not understand, that's not an issue. I will make it easy for you to understand. Suppose we have this array nums equals to 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. This is the array we have been given. The count value is 0 initially. For the first iteration I equals to 1, the nums of 0 will be 3 and nums of 1 will be 4. So we know that 3 is lesser than 4. So this condition will not run. So count will remain as 0. For the second iteration, I equals to 2, nums of 1 equals to 4, and nums of 2 equals to 5. So 4 is again lesser than 5, so count will remain as 0. For I equals to 3, the third iteration, nums of 2 equals to 5 and nums of 3 equals to 1, which will run this line of code count plus plus, because this passes the condition, because 5 is definitely greater than 1, so count will become 1. So we will update the count to 1. Again, I equals to 4, nums of 3 will have value 1 and nums of 4 will be 2. So again no violation, so count will remain as 1. At last, you can see here this for loop is done. We are done with this part. At last we will check whether the count we will check if nums of 4 equals to just 2 in this case, and nums of 0, which is 3, so 3 is lesser than equals to 3, so count will remain as 1. So eventually we return as 1. As the count is lesser than equals to 1, we will return true. I have written the code. You can see the same code that I explained, and it's passing all the test cases, hopefully. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video. I hope you continue on watching this series. Subscribe to the channel.